AllCoastLawncare.
Hello, I want to do a review real quick on this GTA 26 from Stihl. It's a little hand pruning saw. I bought this for my wife because every time when I'm gone, like away from the area, we have a bad windstorm. Like branches fall down, and just make it easy for her to cut the branches and like take them to the front for the garbage man to pick up. Anyway, I just want to give you a real quick review. Not really a review, I just want to show you how it works. It comes with a bag, a battery right here, the bottom part of the battery, and a charger for the battery, and like a little tube of oil. So I just want to lubricate the chain before every time use. It's real easy. You just like lift up this little guard right here, that guard, and you just put the oil on top of the chain, and you just like do it. And oil is supposed to like circulate through the chain. It's real easy. Anybody could do it, y'all. So this is like they make it like real simple for you to use. So anyways, a little quick review. This fell down from that tree right there. So one storm ago, one part fell, and in this storm we just had, this part fell right here. So this is for pruning. It's not for cutting down fallen trees, but it's a review. This is my first time using it, so me and you are gonna see how well it works. So here we go. So we'll cut this part first right here. I'm supposed to hold it like this. All right, so let's do it. It's a little safety. You have to like push that down, then pull the trigger. If you don't push that down, the trigger won't go all the way. Push down, trigger. Let's start with this little one right here. All right, remember you gotta hold. All right, but I just want to see how well it works. Okay, this is a hand pruner. There we go. Hand pruning, y'all. A fallen tree. It's supposed to be used for like around the house. Not for fallen trees though, but hey, we're doing a review to see how well it works. All right, let's do it right here. Put it around. Turn that around. That's how bad this tree's been dead, y'all. That's why it fell real easy from the storm. But we're cutting it in pieces, so easily transport it. Let's do this side over here. I almost forgot. Always wear your gloves, okay? Eye Pro and protection for your hands. All right, hand protection. All right, here we go. Alright guys, this is a Stihl GTA 26. Now once again, this is used for around the home, like just pruning trees, pruning branches, you know, pruning around the house. Not made for like cutting down logs, but hey, this is a review. Trying to see where how far we could take it, okay? You don't want to do logs because you could damage it. It's not made for that, all right? But you saw what it could do right now, so hope you like this video. So I gotta clean it, a little bit up with some more oil, and go and store it away. Okay, so remember, eye pro and gloves, okay, when dealing with chainsaws, all right? And if you're using a big chainsaw, always wear your ear pro. All right, this doesn't make that much noise. Hey, can you still hear me? It don't make that much noise, y'all. All right, so I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thank you and God bless, and always stay safe.